I've always had an interest in welding and grew up around it a little bit, haven't got to do a whole lot, and I talked to the counselor and she suggested this would fit me very well. I would pick aluminum TIG as my favorite welding process. It's a challenge for me, and I like to challenge myself. I guess the project we're looking forward to now that we're going to do is our pipe test next year. That's my main goal that we're working toward right now, is starting to get ready for the next school year. It's a very good program, and if it interests you, I would say go for it, because you're learning a lot more than just one process. You got a big range of processes that you can do through this program, and I would highly recommend it. I'm not sure what field yet of welding I want to go into, but I'll probably get a job out there in it somewhere.